Hey guys, it's the final walkthrough at our first rental rehab of the year.
So we're in St. Louis, Missouri. We shot the first video 3 weeks ago. There was snow on the ground. It was about 20 degrees. My ears were cold. And then we shot the other video about a week and a half ago. It was about 50 degrees and rainy. And today it is about 75, 80 degrees and sunny. So welcome to St. Louis. That's what you get with the weather around here. So let's go ahead and look at the house.
Is this the right house?
Thought our house had yellow siding, yellow aluminum siding that we were going to paint.
Yeah, didn't you say we were going to paint it?
We did. We talked about that a lot. So that's one of the things you get when you're going through a rehab. We had a quote from a local painter to come paint it, and then we decided thought that was a little expensive. So we went ahead and got a quote from our normal siding guy, and it was I think $400 or $500 more. So might as well get brand new siding for $500. It should help with the appraisal. It should help with the long-term wear, and it looks awesome.
All right, so we're in the backyard of the house. If you can see the roof behind me, the roof looks great. Brand new roof, architectural shingles, 30-year guarantee on those. And for this particular one, we just did an overlay because it had flat 3-tab shingles below that, so we just did an overlay.
All right, so last time we were here, there was this big pile of trash Luke was standing in, and all that's left of that is a little door latch. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that away. You can see that we got it cleaned up pretty quick. We don't like to have trash sitting out for more than a day.
Yeah, we also cleaned up the fence line, so now our tenants will have a nice, usable fenced-in backyard. All right, so you can see that we graded out where the sewer lateral was replaced, and we seeded and strawed it. So now when that spring grass comes up, it'll look great.
And one thing you will notice is the house next door went for sale right when we bought our property, and it's already under contract. So hopefully that's a good sign for our future appraisal. Now let's head inside and Luke can take off his Hollywood shade.
All right, to spruce up the curb appeal, we did some nice evergreen boxwoods with some black mulch, so you can get this nice color throughout the whole year.
All right guys, before you go inside, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Now let's go check out the inside.
All right guys, here's our final product of our new kitchen. We did the 42-inch gray cabinets. We did the subway tile with gray grout on the backsplash, granite countertops, brushed nickel hardware on all the cabinets, so tenants don't pull on the actual cabinets and get them all dirty. They have something to hold on to. Stainless steel appliance package, and a single bowl sink with a nice single hole faucet to go with it. I think the kitchen turned out great. I think whoever moves into here will be super happy with the way their kitchen looks.
So not as much exciting things going on over here as in the kitchen, but you can see the floor that we talked about we did throughout the entire property. This nice gray luxury vinyl planks. We replaced the floor, so we went ahead and replaced the baseboards, and we did new outlets. So everything in this house is pretty much brand new in this big room. So let's head over to the bedrooms. All right, in the first video, I went ahead and pulled the accordion door down. I cannot do that with these nice 6-panel doors, so we went ahead and replaced every single door in the house with this nice new white 6-panel doors.
So if we're flipping a house and selling it retail, we normally don't put blinds in the windows, but if we're rehabbing a house and going to rent it out, we always provide our tenants with simple mini blinds.
Bedroom number 2, nothing fancy here, just new outlets, new floors, new baseboards, new closet doors.
Bedroom number 3, same thing as bedrooms number 1 and 2. A couple things to point out here is just a smoke detector that we put in every bedroom, and also we put brand new floor registers in all of throughout this house.
Here I am in the bathroom again. We replaced pretty much everything in this bathroom except this tub base like we talked about. We didn't even end up glazing it. We do that sometimes, but this was cleaned up good enough, so didn't have to do that. Got this nice tile around, our new shower valve in, a new toilet, new vanity, new mirror, new light. So everything in here is pretty new and everything looks great.
All right guys, so in the hallway here, we got new bifold closet doors, and in the first one here is just where the washer and dryer hookup's gonna be. We got a new washer box, did a little bit of plumbing work, and got a little patch work to go. But other than that, it's a nice, clean, simple washer and dryer closet. Yeah, and these doors right here are just for our systems in there. So we just cleaned the systems up and got new bifold doors there.
So if you want to take a quick look back at the journey, we bought this house 4.5 weeks ago. The video up here kind of goes through the walkthrough. We bought it sight unseen. It looked a lot different than it looks now. So you kind of see where this all started so you can see where we've come.
Yeah, did we forget to mention that this house was yellow? But we also did a mid-rehab video, and you can check that video out here. So you can tell the huge changes that this house made between the first video, the mid-rehab video, and this final video. Overall, we're super excited about how this project turned out. Our original budget was about $20,000. I think we ended up coming in right at $22,000, but the majority of that was because we did siding instead of painting it, which is the right long-term solution for this house.
So everything turned out great. This is the perfect time of the year to get on the market. We're shooting this at the end of March, so we should get this on the market this week. We're gonna take professional pictures. We already got it professionally cleaned, so everything's ready. We're gonna take pictures. We're gonna throw it on the market for $1,400. That should get us some really good applications. When you're kind of in that price range in our area, you get really good applicants that usually take very good care of the property. So we're really excited about that. It's a little higher end rental for us. So we're gonna get a great tenant in place, and we're hoping to cash flow hopefully around $200 a month.
Yep. So we purchased this property for about $90,000. We put about $22,000 into it. So we're into the property for about $112,000. We're gonna pay our private lender on the back end of this thing after we refinance about $5,000. So all in, we're all into this thing for about $117,000. This house will appraise for around $150,000, $155,000. So that's instant equity without using a dollar of our own money, just sweat equity putting in this house.
That's the exciting thing about doing this through the BRRRR method. We can do this over and over and over and over again. We can create 30 to 40 grand of equity like that, do as many times as we want, as long as our private lender is willing to lend to us. So that's the really exciting thing about using the BRRRR strategy for properties like this. We're dropping great content like this multiple times a week. So make sure to give us a like, subscribe, share with your friends. We're really excited to get this out for you guys.
Also, post in the comments below. This rehab took us, what, 4 weeks? So if a rehab this size that you guys are gonna do, how long does it take you guys usually? Put that in the comments below for us. Redo.
It's like, you're so stupid, you screwed that up, but then when I go, I screwed up even worse. All that's left now is this doorknob, or this door handle, which we'll make sure to throw away.
That's neither a doorknob nor a door handle.
All right, I'll do it again. So make sure to subscribe, share with your friends.
Share with your buddies.
Here's the bloopers are coming.
Might have to shoot this part later, but that's okay.
You're fine.
It's a dog.